I am back with another video, and as you can see, I hit 100K on Instagram. So today's video, we are going to be doing a photo shoot slash content type day celebrating 100K. So I appreciate everyone. If you follow my Instagram, I appreciate all of you for that. That is a huge milestone for me. Maybe not for some people, but I'm new to the whole social media thing. So did it in 11 months, almost a year now. So, oh, whoa. No, I started in December. That's 6 months. 6 months. I'm sorry. I started social media a year ago. I started Instagram 6 months ago, and I'm at 100K. My camera guys are about to be here, and I'm gonna get every single car out today. So you're gonna get a view. You're gonna get a look at every single car that I own. Like, you'd sit there and film him.
I'm being dead serious.
And then edit it and then post it. How much would it be?
100K. Do you know how much time I'm gonna have to waste?
No,
just
quit your job.
Him?
Quit your job.
Yeah, 100K. You know how long? You said what?
A month is crazy.
Oh, a month?
Yeah.
Oh.
At least 10.
It'd only be like 3 videos. He doesn't do more than like 3 cars a month.
I'll do 5K.
$5,000.
Look, he went from 100.
I'm doing it. It'll be
100K fig goes crazy.
I also need to get the purple demon down anyway. It hasn't been driven in a while.
Low-key tough.
You're getting white one out first, I guess.
Oh no.
And then gray. Y'all can help me.
I guess.
If I have to.
I don't know if you trust me with.
You know what? I'm gonna have to get these out. Y'all would have to get the other ones out on the other unit.
Trust us with the cars. Me specifically.
What's in the other unit? Black demons in the other unit. That's right. Black demons in the other unit. Jeeps in the other unit. Porsches in the other unit. Trackhawks in the other unit. We're not getting Trackhawk out today.
Oh, I'm doing all these then. Let's go.
Yeah, shoulder press.
Oh yeah. Gotta put them on a trickle. Yep. I'm about to give up. Actually. Hold
There
that.
goes the video.
Oh no, you got the key.
I can hold it. Give me that.
I'm just gonna crush myself.
Jesus
No, it's okay. You can drop it on me.
Nah, I'm gonna. What? Look at that.
Oh god, no! I'm glad you didn't drop it on me. That
Facts,
killed me,
bro. Good thing the Incredible Hulk's behind the camera.
We're gonna do the demons as 1-0. The super snakes as another 0.
Yeah, so the battery died.
Okay, yeah. So what we're doing is we're gonna do a 0 in the super snakes, a 0 in demons, and then the 1 is gonna be the 2 Porsches.
You're stupid. I'm actually so scared right now.
That sprayed in my face. Remember that? I'll give you $1 if you rip this thing across the road.
Down there,
Yep.
I'll probably get some serious trouble if I did that. I'm trying to think of what I want to do first.
Demon.
Probably.
These demons first, because, you know.
Or
They're up there.
yeah, I definitely need to get these down first because it's gonna be. I gotta get the other super snakes out of the next garage first.
You want us to start moving them?
Nah, I can do it.
Alright then. Do you want me to put the keys back?
You already did, didn't you? Oh, you have them? No, you can call on to this one.
He didn't trust me. 170 is a scary one.
Channel never gets to see these. These never get burned.
Yo, Bryce. You already know the red super snake or the, you know.
Yeah.
We need to just spun the block.
Let's see.
I can
Red.
watch.
Gray. I'll let you do. You got gray. You want red?
Yes.
All right, you can have red.
I'm LARPing, all right? Let me LARP.
Shout out Callie. Here, you want to do a POV? POV of the start. POV of the start.
All right. Know what I'm doing. Ah, I turned it off like an idiot. Look at Bryce. He thinks he knows what he's doing. He thinks he's so goofy. I gotta move the seat, you goofy stupid. Let me look it.
Did you break it?
No, can I LARP, please?
Yep.
Yeah, I haven't taken the, I haven't taken my red Super Snake out in a while, so I'm just gonna let it warm up a little bit, you know what I mean?
That's music good, like I can see.
Good? Bryce, it's like the exotic flamingo right now. Look, hit the camera.
This is gonna take a second.
Yeah, she's up there.
I don't know how I'm gonna get this out. I guess I'll have to just cut the corners as quickly as I can. Getting all these cars back in, it's gonna be a nightmare.
Yeah, but anything for the clip.
Yeah. And for a haircut.
Roll this window down when you get it over.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, it's Barney. I'm scared of Barney.
I thought less space. More space between them.
No, I have to start Barney. Oh my gosh, such a burden. Crazy. Speakers.
Missing leg day.
Yeah, it's leg day.
You showed me a photo and it did not do this thing justice.
Sure.
Not only is it way more radical, it's also super silly on these wheels and tires.
It looks hilarious.
Double-edged sword for real.
Yeah, 100%.
What the? Don't tell me this thing's dead.
No.
Keys in my pocket.
It was plugged into the charger, wasn't it?
It was.
Maybe the wrong key?
Maybe it's in the Jeep.
Wow.
Definitely, I definitely put it in the Jeep.
The one I handed you, you said that was the Jeep
I
key.
literally was like, I'll take that looks like a big fat blob of shit.
That's not safe.
Okay, no, when this gets...
POV, you just
Wait,
hit
that was
100K.
Huh?
POV, you just hit 100K.
I wish you could see my view right now. This
Good.
is absolutely crazy.
Will, eventually.
Blacking it up some, just so I can get this forward
Alright.
a little bit. Appreciate it. Yeah, that's yours.
Dude, that lens looks so familiar. Looks like my pants lens.
Gosh, I keep doing that.
Leaving keys.
I don't know where the key is at.
I only have Barney.
I ain't got
It's
none.
definitely on the counter there.
Fuck, now he knows I have the key.
Oh, you have
Demon.
that now.
I got mine.
Probably, yeah. I love you so much to all my
Okay.
hoes. Thank you for 100K.
Uh-huh.
Shout out to the huz.
Shout out to the...
Obviously, we're kidding, guys.
Shout out to all
respect
the
women.
females out there that follow me.
Respect.
Y'all the real ones.
Facts. 100K, Bryce.
Things I do for 100,000. Sweet, thank you.
No problem. I know.
All right, give me a moment.
Yeah.
We've already tried to figure that out there, isn't it? Oh yeah.
That's so insane.
Oh my gosh.
That is so crazy. Just admiring. Wait for it. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's so sick. Woo!
And then as you walk off, it's like, what the fuck is going on here?
I thought this whole time you just been taking pictures. I did not know
I
you.
got some
Oh,
crazy
there's me walking
pictures,
right
too.
past it.
I told you it was a whole shoot, bro.
That's
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. Imagine I fall. Break the camera. Die.
You died?
No, I'm just making commentary. Why don't you mind your own business, huh?
Okay.
Why don't you hit 100K or something?
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Bro, do it at least, like, obviously we'll get some sick pictures with it while we're at it, but just something to throw on the story. Like,
Yeah.
Skinny, give me your vibes.
How's it look?
Looks good. Looks like 100K.
I'm gonna drop one of these for sure. We're not gonna be able to get this picture, I just know it. I just know it. This just might be the fruitiest thing I've ever done. Or
He's thinking. He's thinking.
pondering, oh no. That tape's definitely gonna come apart. Dude, I'm trying to think of ideas.
Wow.
You're gonna walk just walk like you're holding them all.
So if I can reach it. Oh, this isn't gonna be cool though. This is just a TRX key.
Hide it. Just hide it a little bit. Y'all can't see it, but that shit's crazy.
Yeah, this is tough, bro.
Yeah, there it goes. Right, just drip right off my face. Perfect.
Make sure you enhance the nose sweat instead of Photoshop it out.
It's just pouring down my face right now. We'll see.
Well, that's tough.
Anything else before I put this one up?
I don't think they can see it, but they will. Yeah, y'all can't see that, but it's gonna be tough. Look at
Alright.
the movie.
Yeah.